This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine solution at home. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need iodine crystals, potassium iodide, and distilled water. It's crucial to have accurate measuring tools, such as a precise scale and graduated cylinder, to ensure the correct ingredient ratios. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, to protect yourself during the process. Safety is paramount when handling chemicals. Now, let's talk about the ingredients and their precise ratios. You'll want to combine 2 grams of iodine crystals with 4 grams of potassium iodide. It's important to measure these amounts very carefully for an effective solution. First, dissolve these solid components in a small amount of distilled water, perhaps 10 to 15 milliliters. This initial step is crucial because it helps ensure proper and complete dissolution of the solids before you add the remaining liquid, preventing clumping. Once your initial solids are dissolved, it's time for dilution. Gradually add 100 milliliters of distilled water to your mixture, stirring continuously as you go. Continue stirring thoroughly until all components are completely dissolved and the solution appears clear and uniform. For storage, transfer your finished iodine solution into a dark, airtight glass bottle. This protects it from light degradation and evaporation, maintaining its potency for longer periods. Finally, let's discuss safety and usage. It is absolutely critical to always label your homemade iodine solution clearly and accurately with its contents and concentration. Keep the solution securely stored and out of reach of children and pets at all times to prevent accidental ingestion or misuse. Remember, iodine can be potent, so always consult a healthcare professional or expert for specific applications and safe handling guidelines before using your solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.